Stop wasting money on plugins. The best text animations in After Effects are already built in, and almost nobody uses them. Today, I'm showing you 14 hidden ones that can instantly upgrade your edits. If you don't see it, just go to the top menu window and enable Effects and Presets. All right, for the first preset, go to Animation Presets, Text Blurs, and drag the first animation onto your text. Pretty cool, right? And the best part? All of these animated texts are fully customizable. You can adjust every keyframe, timing, position, whatever fits your style. The next animation is also inside the blurs section. Another powerful built-in text animation that looks super clean. Next, we have Evaporate. This one is often used in wedding videos because of its smooth, disappearing style. By default, it works as an outro animation. But if you reverse the keyframes, you can easily turn it into an intro. Before we continue with the rest of the effects, I've got some good news for you. I created over 1,500 brand new motion presets inspired by these animations. Perfect for viral edits, reels, shorts, and professional projects. If this video hits 2,000 likes, I'll release the entire preset pack for free in the description. Now let's continue. Another great category is mechanical. As the name suggests, it gives your text a mechanical, industrial-style movement, very dynamic and eye-catching. Next is underscore in. This one works great for tech, hacking, or coding style edits. Under Miscellaneous, there are some gems. One of the best is Explode in. Then we have Glitch Text Decoder, perfect for hacker or IT style videos. If your cursor appears on the wrong side, just adjust the paragraph alignment from left to right to fix it. Now let's jump into the Animate in category. The first is typewriter. You've definitely seen this in viral edits. This one is also extremely versatile. You can use it in almost any type of project. Honestly, this next animation is one of my personal favorites. I use it a lot in my own edits. And remember, all of these are fully editable. You can change speed, timing, position, and customize them however you like. Next, from the behavior category, these animations are perfect when your text is already on screen and you want to avoid that static, boring look. There's also one that randomly animates opacity. You can use it for flickering light effects, blinking elements, or anything that needs an on-off effect. From the image creative section, the first one is hand-drawn, which gives a natural sketched animation feel. And finally, we have VHS flicker effect. This one gives your text that old-school TV look. Perfect for retro edits or scenes where you want the text to appear on a vintage television. If this helped you, hit the like button, comment your favorite animation, and subscribe. More hidden After Effects secrets are coming.